Namaste, I am Dr. Dhananjay Kelkar, Director, Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital, and one of the co-authors of this wonderful new book which we have bought for general population, which is Living Safe with Corona. Now, this is not just a translation of the Marathi book, but we have also made some additions to the Marathi book which came out before. Now, the most important addition in this book is probably the word living safe. So not just living with corona, but living safe with corona. And I am going to share some of my views regarding this living safe concept. So the progress of civilization has been with two extremes at all times. Number one, to have a car which has speed, and then to have a car which is not only just speeding but also which is safe. So you have roads which can kind of facilitate very fast transfer, at the same time ensuring safety. To have climbing kind of exercises, climbing Mount Everest to climbing walls, which in itself is potentially dangerous, but how to make it safe. Similarly, COVID is a dangerous disease, and there is mortality or death which ranges somewhere from 1% to 9% for all COVID patients across the world. And we are using this absolutely opposite word, which is how do you live safely with corona. That means how do you tackle corona and be safe at the same time. And for which I am going to make an appeal to all of you that we have already reasonably successfully tackled the first wave of COVID across India, and the performance of Indian healthcare and general Indian population has been very good, or to some extent outstanding as compared to the Western countries, that our mortality is low and our recovery rate is very high. Now in view of this, people are thinking as to why this mortality and recovery is so favorable in India. And I would say it is because of the early lockdowns as well as discipline that the Indian people have shown. Now 6 months of lockdown is getting over and people are more than willing to get back to their normal life. And this comes rebound kind of phenomena which comes out with a vengeance, because 6 months in a prison is not easy for general population to digest. So they have not traveled by flight, they have not traveled by road, they have not traveled by train, they have not attended a wedding, they have not gone for a musical concert, they have not watched a movie in PVR cinemas. So they are absolutely dying to get to these places, and we hope that you don't die to go to these places. So that is the purpose of this book, that you continue to exercise care and caution while going for these activities. So what do you do now is that till the time COVID is kind of memory or COVID is history from the face of earth, we have to learn to exercise self-discipline. And that is not an easy job when it is over a period of a year, year and a half. And according to my estimate, I feel that we have to learn to live with COVID for another 12 to 18 months at least. And this period is difficult period for us, because now we are probably second time little relaxed in the mental state, which is not conducive for future. If you have a look at Europe and America, what they are experiencing now, which is a very big second wave, we can avoid it by discipline and by taking care. So I would say from the book, again, the most three important messages for prevention, that is exercise, vitamin D and Jal Neti. And most three important cautions for kind of not getting COVID is mask, social distancing and hand hygiene. If we follow all these three preventive measures and three cautionary measures, I am sure we will cross this COVID scenario in next 18 months. And India will come out with flying colors. And I again appeal to you it can be Diwali, it can be the marriage season following Diwali, it can be your desire to travel all over the world, it can be your desire to go for trekking and adventure sports and even marathons. Please take care that don't go in large numbers, maintain social distance, be very good in hand hygiene, always use masks at all times, and don't become careless about COVID. If this book is successful in delivering this message, I think we have done a great service to our country. Thank you.